So we can say that the main part of a word is the root word, and a root gives a word meaning. For example, bio. Bio is a root word which means life, living, and we form a new word, biology, the study of living things. So the stem word was bio, and we added logy, biology, that became a new word, the study of living things. Similarly, biography, a book about a person's life. So we added graphy to bio, that was a root word, and it became a new word, that is a book about a person's life. So this is how in the book you can also see that a base is the main part of the word to which prefixes and suffixes may be added in order to make new words, and it is always the basic part that can stand alone, that can give independent meanings. So a word that can stand alone, that can have independent meanings in itself, that is a base word, a stem word, or a root word as well. So now we would start prefixes. Now what is a prefix? Prefix is a syllable or syllables placed at the beginning of a word. But before going to prefixes, I would like to tell you about affixes. That basically, affix, they are the letters added to a word root, and its function is adding an affix forms a new word. And we have two types of affixes, like prefixes and the second, suffixes. So prefixes and suffixes are basically affixes that are affixed, that are added to a root word, and they are called affixes. Prefix are the letters added before a root at the beginning of a word, and its function changes the meaning of the word. Like, these are the words that are added before a root word. Like, un is a prefix, that means not. Lucky is a word, that is a root word, base word, and when we add the prefix un before the word lucky, it becomes unlucky, that is not lucky. Similarly, cook or cooked. Cooked is a root word, that the food is cooked, and when we add un before it, it becomes not cooked. So the meanings got changed just because of the prefix. So we got a new word. Now come to suffixes. Suffix, letters that are added after a root at the end of a word. Like, a suffix changes a word, meaning, or part of a speech. So suffix or, er, ar, meaning a person who. You see, mostly the nouns like teacher, edit. Teach is a verb, and when suffix er is added to it, it becomes a noun, a person who teaches. So we got a new word family. So the family of words, the word family is increasing. Its members are multiplying just because of the addition of suffixes and prefixes. Similarly, or, edit, to edit something. A person who edits. So we put the suffix or after the root word, and it became a person who edits. Similarly, register, and we added ar, and it became a new word, registrar. So the root word was register, and we made it registrar, that is a noun, a person who takes registrations. Mostly we add tion, shun, in the end of words, and they become all nouns. pronouns, two pronouns, and it becomes pronunciation, talaffuz. So we get new words, disturb, to disturb someone, and it becomes disturbance. So hope now you have got a clear idea regarding affixes, the base words, and how word families multiply, how they get changed because of the addition of prefixes and suffixes, and new words are formed and we get the new meanings of the words. Thank you.